All right, this is the unboxing of my new motocross boots. Sorry for the face, I need to shave a little bit, but you know, I work from home and really haven't been going anywhere, but been waiting on these boots to start riding. Me and my wife are going to be getting new Honda dirt bikes. So here we go. Oh man. Now do you see that? What's that? Alpinestars. It's like Christmas. Feel like a little kid. Yeah, boy. All right, well here it is. All right, folks, ready for this? These are Tech 7s. It's a brand new boot. Bam. Oh man, now you guessed it. Got to get that Honda red, baby. Look at that, size 13s for everybody that want to know. I wear size 13s. Man, these bad boys are bad. What you think?
Beautiful.
Now my wife has her Tech 3s. She got hers too. There you go, Alpinestars.
I like the colors you got.
Yeah, me too. Yeah.
This is mine.
Yeah.
Size 8.
These are so cute. I love them. Look at the back of these. Wow.
It's very comfortable.
This is my first time having Alpinestars.
Mm-hmm.
They're big.
It's size 13.
All right. Well, we'll get back to you when we have a little bit more gear, especially when we get our bikes. I'm getting a 2022 Honda CRF 450 R Works Edition, not the regular R, Works Edition. And my wife is getting a 2021 Honda CRF 150R Expert, which is the big wheel. So we're excited, and hopefully we'll be getting these bikes in a couple of months. Mine's on order. I'm still waiting for it to get here, and should have it about September. Wife should have hers by maybe a month or a month and a half. We don't know yet. It's on its way. That's all I know. So anyway, just wanted to unbox my new Alpinestars. My wife got hers earlier, but very nice. Ever since she said these were very comfortable, I wanted to get a pair of my own as well. So that's what we did. See you later.
Bye bye.